Hello there. This is the RFID based gate control system. It also have the RF remote control system to control the gates in case of emergencies. The project have four major parts. This is the inward control module. This is outward control module, and this is a motor driver and RF receiver together. Lastly, this is the RF remote to control the motors via RF. The whole project is based on Arduino Uno. We have made this whole module as a shield on Arduino Uno. Both of these are shields on Arduino Uno. Let's turn it on. When we turn the system on, it is originally into the remote mode. As the remote is going to be with the administrator, he or she can change the mode anytime they want. When the system is restarted, the control is given to the administrator. So in the remote mode, administrator can just open the gate by press a button and close it again by press a button. If now administrator wants to change the state into the RFID mode, then all you need to do is press the both switch together. The system will switch itself into the RFID mode. Into the RFID mode, all we need to do is swipe the card. Then the system will ask you for the password. The password for this card is 7334. So I will enter it. 7334. So it would grant the access to you. Let's try with another one. The password for this card is 6220, but I will enter 6223. Oops, the password is wrong. Now let's try by entering the correct password. That is 6220. It will grant you the access. And this is all it about. The second module, or the outward module, it also works into the identical way. Now this is the outward module. It also works into the identical way. For the outward module, we need to first put the module into the RFID mode. So now the module into the RFID mode. So now we will swipe the card over it. For this card, the password is 2250. The last four numbers over here. So I will enter them. 2250. So you got the you are now eligible to go out. Now let's try with this card. For this card, the password is 7314. So I will enter 7312. Oops, the password is mismatched. Okay, now let's enter the correct password. It is 7314. So 7314, and you are eligible to go out. So this is all about. This project also gives you the serial output, which can be recorded into the software to give the time at which a person swiped the card, and if he goes in, the inward module will get the output. If the person goes out, the outward module will give out the serial data. Okay, bye.